Everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with new releases for this week. I have lost my voice. It is like hopefully on the up, but please bear with me. But we have 3 kits this week, 2 being newer art. Well, I guess this is still newer. It only came out like a month ago. And then this one is new exclusive art. And then I also have some foil items, doodles, characters, color of the week, etc. So let's start right on the top with the scribblers for this week. And this scribbler is holding a kitty cat. This was initially the Kittenish Jess freebie exclusive, but now we have the scribbler gals holding little cats. And I thought they were so cute. So these will come in all 6 options. And this is number 45. The next thing we have here are some new characters, and these were requested many times. And this is Edward and Bella from Twilight. But again, with these more like neutral characters, I feel like you could just use these for people in your life they might remind you of. Like, I feel like this could totally be Kirsten, right? So cute. And this is 85 and 86. Then we have the color of the week. The color of the week is available from Monday through Wednesday. Not Monday through Wednesday. Oh my goodness. Wednesday through Sunday. I don't know where I even got those words from. But it is really pretty mint color. A nice light green. You can buy all of the sheets individually. And there is a buy all option for the doodles, which are the ones that I'm showing you currently. And then there is, of course, the scribblers. Y'all love these scribblers. And there's mine in the back too as well. This was like, why does this feel so thick? But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And again, these are available Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday. And I just love this color. I think it's so pretty. Will match so much for the spring and summer. And even a lot of like winter kits have like a light green in them as well. Then as far as everything else goes, the first thing that we will talk about is the foil coming this week. And that is the extras of the 9-year foil. So this is the punk bundle in the sparkly black. We already have the core colors in the shop, so these will be added to that listing. Punk underlays, the newer icons page, bottom washi, deco, date icons, etc. in that one. And it will be on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday. And then there'll also be the leftovers extras of these punk full box overlays. I think, again, the core is in shop already, but this is the sparkly black using the flashlight to show you the sparkle. And then also this week we will have the punk underlays in black. So this is not sparkly black, it's just regular black. I thought just in case you didn't want the sparkle in the bundle, you could buy the black a la carte on the a la carte page for the underlays as well. Then speaking of the 9-year kit, the 9-year kit did sell out, so I did go ahead and reformat it. It's not like a mystery or anything that is exclusive to the like bundle or anything. Usually the bundles just don't sell out. I usually feel like I'm pretty good at estimating the number that I will need. So I just went ahead and reformatted this into the ultimate and mini kit. Tall box here. Did change up a couple little things, but most of it is the same. And then it also will come in a mini kit. This is exclusive art. It did sell out when I released it, and I already did use it, but I plan on using it again because I think it's really, really gorgeous art. I did pair it with this foil bundle. Actually, is that playing with me up? It might be. And then you have extra add-on options. You have label 2. You have the functional ombre doodles, and then you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Maybe you just want to pick some of those up to add on, or ombre or checklist to add on because those weren't offered before. So that is the planner punk kit. Then there's this super fun kit called Game Night, and this isn't exclusive art, is not. I know my voice is a little hard to read at the current moment in time, but is not exclusive art, but it does feature me and Hannah, which I think is so fun. The artist of this art did ask like what we would have in our perfect board game kit, and this turned out so singing. You have the board game table, you have board game pieces from all different games like Azul, there's Tiny Towns, there's Trails, there is Everdell, a bunch of different dice for like kind of look like the dice from Dungeons, Dice, and Danger. You have pizza cards, a game stack, a gaming table. I love the colors. This is so like vintage. Some like McDonald's snacks and some D&D references in there as well. I just think this is super fun. And it'll go perfectly with the new Planet Hannah Meeple foil bundle, which I thought I had like, oh, I do it right here. I showed you in rainbow. in my freebie if you use my code or put my name in the notes. Will match as well. So this is it in rainbow if you wanted to see. And this is it in shattered hollow. So I think that would look perfect with this kit. And then you have some chips and a little dice tray. And then the freebie is 2 extra fashion options there as well. So that is the ultimate kit, and this is game night. We also do have the Cyber Monday mystery from last year. Was a game night kit as well if you're looking for more game night vibes. Also comes in a mini kit. And then add-on options, you have the functional ombre, the doodle, and the label sampler. And then last but not least was another one that was like so requested. I've done a couple of Facebook like questions where you could type in like your answer, and I ask like, you know, what kits you want, and this one has been so requested. This is another one that I have being drawn right now actually. That is something, the thing that I'm having drawn right now is something I normally would save for mystery, but I think I'm just gonna come out with it in shop because by the time I'd be able to release it, it would be like next year. So I'm probably gonna just release it in shop. So this one has been so requested, and I think again it's kind of like the wax one. This one I would put in mystery, but I feel like it's a little bit more niche. So I figured let's have it exclusive and let's do it for the shop. So this is a hiking kind of nature kit, which I think is really fun. Haven't done anything like this in shop before, really. There was that camping one from Kit and Tash, but it was more like on the camping vibes. This is more just like straight like nature hike kind of feels like you're kind of hiking along the trail. So you have like waterfalls, you have like the rivers, the lake, kind of like the trees. You have different camping items in here along with leaves to kind of fill. You have like a stream, a little path, lots of trees. Super stinking cute. Love these colors. And then you do have a camping scene because I know that kind of goes hand in hand. And then the extras in the ultimate and the mini is the tall box, which is a really cute. Just another different scene. I think it's just nice because it's going to kind of feel like you're just kind of looking at National Geographic in your planner, I feel like. Which I just love that. And I think it's going to look really pretty. I feel like this is one you could do totally do like no foil. But it would be pretty with like a matte foil or a black foil or a silver would be nice for it to pop as well. So I love this one. I think it's so gorgeous. So you have the ultimate kit, the mini kit. Again, this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. There is also the doodles. There is the functional. There is the ombre. There's the label sampler. And the extra colors are really pretty blue color. And then there is fashion box. So you have the different fashion skin tone boxes here. And then you also have a flat lay of all of the like hiking supplies of sorts. So that, my friends, is everything for this week. Also, mystery spots are open. What's next month? Oh, next month's really pretty. It's kind of like fall vibes because usually that's the month I do fall. But it's really not fall, but like you could use it in fall. But I feel like you could also use it in like March or January if you wanted to, or kind of feels anytime, but in my mind it was kind of my slot for fall. But like Hannah does not like fall kits at all, and she was like, ugh, I can't wait to not like this kit. And I was like, but wait, and she's like, oh wait, I love it. And I was like, no, it's really good. So that is everything for this week's new releases. They will all be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.